Hello viewers, you are welcome to Baba Ere Agbe TV. My name is Rasheed Adimola Adegbola. On today's program, ladies and gentlemen, we are progressing on identification and uses of medicinal plants. Identification and uses of medicinal plants. I have my guest in the house. Please kindly tell us your name.
My name is Daniel Olajide.
You are a farmer.
Yes, I am.
And we are in your maize farm.
Sure.
How come you mention or tell us that a maize that is a plant is a medicinal one? What do you mean?
Yes, for me to say a maize, as you can see, to be a medicinal crop, one, medicine is useful for human being,
Yes.
for health,
Yes.
and for growth.
Yes.
As you are looking at maize, it is used as food and as well as a medicine, as long human consumes it for growth and for health.
You want to tell us that all the parts of maize are useful as medicine and for growth. You want to tell us that today?
Yes,
Continue, go ahead.
yes, as you can see,
One after the other.
yes, may I start from the fruit?
Okay.
This is a fruit of a maize,
Yes.
a maize fruit.
Yes.
It has the shell, the seed inside it, as in the shaft.
And you can show it to us. Show it to us.
Okay,
Yes.
now let me just peacefully,
This is a maize fruit.
a maize fruit.
Okay.
Let me gently open it, as you can see.
Okay. Like this.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
the seeds inside are for human consumption. This is what we consume. Human and animals too feed on these. And as you can look at the silt here, this hairy part of it,
The silk.
the silk, they are useful as medicine too for human.
In what way?
Yes, I don't want to go into the medical part of it in details, but as you can see, the silk, when you boil, you drink, it is useful.
We
As
boil
medicine.
in water.
Yes, and it has medicinal advantage
Thank
on
you.
human.
Okay. What of this?
Then the shaft you are looking at, animals consumes it. When you remove, maize generally, every part of maize is very, very useful. No part of it that is waste. Apart from human consuming the seeds, the shaft you are looking at that we remove, you grind, chop into pieces, you feed your animals with it. The sticks,
The stem.
the stem you are looking at,
Yes.
when you harvest, you put together, you chop, you have a machine that grounds them. When you ground it, you feed your animals with it too.
What of the leaves?
The leaves too, these leaves too are very, very useful for human too. When you boil, the way you boil these with some little quantity of water, you harvest, you boil, they are also useful for human health. So every part of maize, very useful.
Thank you. I think what we have been able to gain today, as short as this program is that a maize plant can also be used medicinally.
Yes.
Like you have told us on this program. What is the advice you want to give, especially to youth like you, in the production of maize?
Thank you very much. The way I see it, any young person,
Like yourself.
as like myself, a school leaver, expecting what white collar job, if you tried your best and nothing is coming out of it, please don't waste much of your time. Just look for a portion of land, go back to farm. Farming, especially farming maize, is very, very, very productive and helpful. Economically, financially, it will solve your needs. The more you plant maize, the more you make profit.
Your experience as a dry season vegetable farmer planting maize, what can you tell us?
Sincerely, when you are off season, when there's no rain, At times you think there's nothing again, but no. During the dry season, look for a swampy area like where we are now. This plant was planted, this maize we are looking at was planted during the dry season. Sincerely, you make more profit during the dry season. When you plant things like this, vegetables and maize, you make more profit. That is it. Because during the rainy period, we have gluts. But here you have limited production, so you make more profit.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is how far we have been able to go on this program today, Baba Ere Agbe TV. Let us thank our guest for bringing us into life about maize as a medicinal plant. Thank you once again.
You are welcome, sir.
Please, kindly introduce yourself again to our viewers for the benefit of those that are joining us.
My name is Daniel Olajide.
And you are a maize farmer.
Yes.
And this farm location, please kindly tell us.
Yes, I'm in Abanla, Omiadio, Ibadan.
In Oyo State.
Oyo State.
Nigeria.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
My phone number? Yes, my phone number is 080 3419 8273.
Again.
080 3419 8273.
Thank you.